get married with me? How will I get married or how will your dream come true? Tell me, bro.
Sister, Muniyamma, if you don't get that Anant will be finished. Be ready, boys!
Yes, sir!
Okay, careful, boys! Go and bring that Anant to my feet!
Yes, boss.
Hey, come on! Hey, why you are showing your back to me? Turn him around. Sister,
Yes, my brother.
come here. Is he your lover?
Yes, brother. He's my lover. Beautiful Anandu. So sweet.
Lover, is it?
Bring the chair. Hey, Anandu, my sister loves you very badly, man. Somehow adjust and get married with her.
I have to marry this girl? My dear uncle, if I marry your sister, will I get you for free?
Hey, sister, he's not guy.
Oh, he's the guy.
He's not a guy.
Uncle!
He's not a guy. He's not a guy. He's not a guy. Get out from here. Take him from here. Get out.
Uncle, I myself will run away.
Hello, bulldozer speaking.
Hey, what are you doing, Bulldog?
Hey, how dare you call me bulldog, huh? You don't know about me, idiot. Who are you?
This is me, Underground Dawn.
Underground Dana. That's why voice coming from underground, huh? Who are you, idiot?
Hey, talk to me respectfully, else you'll have to face the consequence.
What is that consequence? I'm ready to face it. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I'm
Come on.
coming, man.
Good morning, sir.
Is everything all right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Anandu is coming! Anandu is coming! Anandu is coming!
Hey, Raja.
Coming, sir! What, sir?
Hey, when I'm coming to this office, every staff in this office are playing hide and seek with me. Why is that?
To unmarried girls that you are asking they are married or not. To married women, you are asking to have younger or elder sister. What they will do, sir?
Hey, get lost you. You have a big mouth.
What to do this, man? Huh.
I'm thinking, when I see from far, everyone is there. When I come near, no one is there. What is going to happen to my life?
Hey! Look down! Down here!
Dana, where are you?
These fatty men's problem is this. They can't see anything below them. What a fellow!
I'm the only one here. Not able to see anyone here. Where are you?
Hey! Look down, you bulldog!
Whom you are calling bulldog? Look at my face. How is it?
Hey, leave me down!
What will you do if I don't?
I will kill you!
Looking like a small rabbit and trying to threaten me, huh?
Hey! Why are you laughing, huh?
You are not even size of my bullet and you are calling me bulldog.
don't underestimate me. Bullet is very small,
Ah.
but the effect is very big.
Ah.
Hey! Hey! Nothing happened or what?
What to happen? What to happen, huh?
Nothing happened. Can you do what I do?
What are you going to do?
As I pass through your legs, you have to pass through my legs.
Between your legs. That's not possible, master.
I don't know all that, but you should do that.
Here my hand is not entering. How can my body goes inside?
So you failed. Are you a rowdy?
Hey, you little brat. I will put you in grinder and grind you.
Grinder? No, master. I'm not a rowdy.
Ah.
Or not a down.
Ah.
I came here to ask a
So
job.
why do you have to behave like this?
You are a big villain, right? That is why me too was giving a built-up.
Oh. Okay, leave it, buddy. This Ganeshan is not going to prolong for longer time. So you can join in his place. You are appointed for the job. Is it
Okay. Thank you, master.
What is your name?
My name is
Ooh.
Madhusudan.
Madhusudan.
Yes.
Why does this office have to be so far? I have to walk all the way. Hey, you go on your way, man. Hi, Suresh.
Yes, my dear.
What is this, Suresh? You've changed so much.
But you are the same man. Look, you never change, buddy. What is this, Anandu?
What to do, man? I'm so old now. Till now, I'm not married and I haven't even done anything.
Hey, having matter, do you have to get married
Huh?
or what?
How else?
Look, to have a single cup of tea, will anyone buy a tea shop?
What do you mean?
Do you have some money? Money with you, huh?
Money, is
Oh,
it?
yeah.
I have only so much.
Okay, okay. Come, I'll take you to a place. Sit, sit. Ananda, keep quiet.
Hey, call them.
Are the girls coming? Suresh,
Huh?
are all these girls for me?
Hey, these are call girls. You give money, they will come. Whomever you want to select them. Yes.
If I give money, only one of these girls will come with me or what? But you know, I want all these girls.
Hey, whatever you can do, ask as per your capacity, okay? You see the good one and select her.
Mm, Suresh. What is your name, dear?
My name is Kushbu.
Oh, you have such a beautiful name. Now, shall we start, my darling?
Yeah. You're too sweet. Darling, you're too good.
I'm feeling so
Darling,
क्यों shouting?
Okay.
Ah.
In emergency of driving, did you drive it wearing helmet or without helmet? Tell me.
Hey, does anyone wear a helmet for a showroom vehicle? I didn't feel like wearing one.
Hey, what are you talking? You have to use condom for safety, okay? It is very dangerous to our life.
Hey, as a friend, you showed me heaven. And as your friend, I saw heaven and enjoyed. That's all. Leave
Hey,
it.
what you are saying is not right, buddy.
Hey, why do you get tensed? All these years in my life, I haven't enjoyed so much. But now I have enjoyed it. Oh.
She's so beautiful, let's have a look. Oh, 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 she's so beautiful, let's have a look. Na 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 na, la 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 la.
What is the cost of this bangle? Hello?
Beautiful girls, you should not ask for it. I don't charge anything. I will give it free. Just enjoy.
You?
See what happens to you.
Leave me. What did I do? Please save me from this, Lodies. Please.
Never flirt with any other girls anymore. Teach him a lesson.
Hey, are you doing business here? If a beautiful girl comes to your shop, she asks for a bangle, you will give it free, of course. Now you have come to a panchayat. Now you are going to give your blood free.
Brother, even my mother asked me the bangle. I will not give free to her.
Speaking rubbish to my sister, you!
Leave me.
Hey, I'm telling to you all who belong to 10 or more villages around this place. This fellow, has he misbehaved to my sister? I'll cut his tongue from his mouth and throw it in the garbage!
Now I must go to the shop too. Oh, he's one idiot. The BSNL subscriber you have called is taking a vessel of water and gone to the toilet. Please call after some time.
But this fellow's phone is Airtel connection. But how is this message coming from BSNL?
The number you have dialed is switched off. The customer is ran away. Please don't call again. Anandu,
Hey,
is
uncle,
it you?
it's you. I won't leave you, uncle. Uncle, stop there. Stop there, uncle. Don't make me run. Uncle, stop there. Uncle, why are you trying to escape from me?
Not like that, my dear. According to Sannyasa astrologer prediction, now the time is not good. So he instructed me not to pick any call.
Don't make stories, uncle. That day, you told me you'll find a girl from me. What
That
happened?
is, your face is not matching, dear. Then how will I take you to see the girl?
Why are you saying such things, uncle? Every man in this world has a partner. I also need a partner, no?
Hey, you, Midnight Handsome. No one is suitable for you, dear.
Uncle, you're so bad. You're finding a girl for everyone in this city. But can't you find a girl for me?
Hey, Malinga. This idiot fellow is not going to leave you. Ha, Ananda. When you said, I remember something. In an Annam village, a beautiful girl is there. I will go and see whether that girl is suitable for you.
Uncle.
I heard that girl is very beautiful. I go and see that girl and come. My handsome.
Uncle, wait. Uncle, I have to tell you something. Uncle.
Hey,
Uncle,
hey,
wait.
boss, stop there. Malinga is coming. Don't start.
Today's headlines. The man got married with 30 months. How dare he has done. If I would have been there, I would have killed him. Killed him.
Hey, boy.
Yes, master.
Someone has came to see you, man.
To break the leg or hand.
Not for both. Cinema, boss.
Cinema?
Yes.
Hey, to see cinema, is it a cinema theater or what? Get lost.
Sir, please don't misunderstand me. My name is Prem Gopal Verma. Very big director, sir.
Big director?
Huh.
I never heard about you.
Do you know one thing, sir? Our industry doesn't have a good director in my height, no good hero in your size.
Hero? Master,
Huh?
see this face?
Huh.
Because this buffalo face, who will accept me as a hero? And who is the producer for that?
What are you talking, sir? You are already there.
What? I am the producer?
Yes, sir. For our story, we have a super villain. This man.
This villain. You're right. He's the villain in my real life. Even in cinema, he's the villain. So sharp, so sharp.
Sir.
Ah.
Villain, sir.
Ah.
Coming in, sir.
Ah.
He is taking a knife. Cha! He is stamping and killing, sir.
Who is killing? Who, heroine?
No, sir. He is killing you, sir.
Hey, if I die, who will act in the movie? Huh? You are making fun
Sir,
on me,
sir.
huh?
Sir, don't get upset, sir.
What?
There we keep the twist, sir.
What is twist?
Sir, after you die, sir, do you know what happened then, sir?
Then what happened?
You become black god.
What? Black ghost? Hey! Me becoming ghost? You are making me as a black
Don't
ghost?
get upset, sir. Black ghost is nothing, sir. We will apply some paste on your face, sir. Graphics.
Oh, graphics.
Ah.
What is the name of this movie?
Black ghost on the show.
Black Ghost on the show.
Sir, after you becoming ghost, you are smelling and going behind the heroine, sir.
Hey! What if it is a bad smell?
Sir, that is heroine's house smell, sir. We will spray some scent over there,
Oh,
sir.
because it is a heroine's house. Okay, leave it. Okay, whatever you say. Now you continue. Tell me.
Thank you, sir.
Ah.
Sir, after that house, the heroine's house, very often the villain is coming and going, sir.
To have any rape scene in her house?
Sir, she don't have that problem because you are a safeguarding head,
Yeah,
isn't it?
That is the matter.
Then, sir,
Ah,
one day the villain is coming there.
ah.
You are flying and coming and standing in front of him, sir.
What? Flying?
I'm coming and standing,
You
sir.
do one thing, make it as a big cutout and keep it before the theater. Let it be 100 feet tall.
Super, sir.
Ah.
Your big ghost body and your face. Super, sir.
Tell me.
Then, sir, you are standing in front of the villain. Do you know what you are telling to him?
What I am telling him.
Hey, just to destroy you, I came all the way here.
Oh my God.
Do you know what he is telling to you, sir?
What he is telling me.
Hey, you alone here. What can you do to me? Tell me, sir.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
So arrogant that fellow you.
Do you know what you are telling to him? Hey, I'm not alone here, man. Behind me there are 100,000 lakhs of black ghosts are there without job, sir.
Hey! Where we will get 100,000 and lakhs of black ghost?
That we can do with CG, sir. For all that you can use your gang to act on that, sir.
Oh, what an idea, master. Each one of these guys are eating a bucket full of food and being waste here. Hey, all you guys know to act right? Can
yes,
everyone
boss.
act right? Everyone
yes,
is a
boss.
guy for me.
Yes, boss.
Do our boss! Hey! Do our boss! Hey! Do our boss! Hey! Hey, stop. Okay, tell me the story.
I already told you, sir.
Hey,
Boss?
give him 50,000 advance and drop him home.
Sir, take it.
Take it.
Sir, you are my god, sir. I
Mm.
never seen 50,000 rupees in my life,
Then
sir.
give it
sir,
to
sir. Sir, can I bring the heroine, sir? Heroine, sir. I can bring her here, sir.
Are you the guy for that?
Sir, not for that, sir. I want you to see her face, sir.
All these guys are there now. Tomorrow or tomorrow, I will send them all from here.
Okay, sir.
Ah.
Thank you,
Ah,
sir.
go.
Thank you very much,
okay,
sir.
Okay, go.
I'm leaving,
Go.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Hey,
Pass.
keep an eye on him.
Okay, boss.
He has taken 50,000 rupees.
Okay, boss.
He is the villain.
Hey! Careful! I'm a villain!
When the time comes to give my commission, you are trying to escape from me? You don't know who I am. I will break your hands and legs. Be careful.
Hey, you broke up.
Hey, Nilamurthy.
Bro.
Go and threaten him and bring that fellow immediately. Hey! Hey! Stop, you idiot! Hey! Where are you running? David. What, Mr. Brooker? Why are you trying to run away after seeing us here? Do we all look that cheap to you?
It's not like that, brother. I am scared whether you will bury me inside the ground, that's all. Not only that, your sister is most beautiful girl in the city. And I'm afraid where to find a man for her.
Hey, whether you find a groom in this city or other cities, that I don't want to know.
Hmm.
Look here.
Hmm.
This is my sister's beautiful picture.
Uh.
Find a groom suitably as soon as possible.
Uh.
As much it delays,
Hmm.
the parts of your body will be missing.
If I delay to find a groom for you, your brother will take the parts of my body. I have to see my body missing from me. You do one thing, you don't be in front of me. You be safe in my back.
Good that no one is here on this road. Suresh has shown me such a wonderful place. But the gate seems to be locked here. Is there no one in this house?
Hey, what are you doing there?
Sir, do you know where these people in this house have gone?
Whom do you know in this house?
Nothing, sir. My old friend was staying in the same house. That's why.
Is it so? They're in police station. If you want, I will take you and leave you with them.
Police station, is it? Why so?
I will give you the mobile number. Call them and find out. You ask the question, they will answer you.
But I'm a respectable man, you know.
If you want respect, sit at home. Or else police might puncture you.
This was the only garage where I could change my oil, but this is also closed now. Suresh is also not in station. What do I do now?
Anandu, why is he coming here? Oh, he will eat my brain. Mohini. Come here.
What happened?
See, Anandu is coming here. If he asks for me, tell him that I'm not at home. I have gone out of station. Go.
Yes, what do you want?
Isn't uncle at home?
He is not at home. Gone out of station.
Is it so? That's so good.
Mohini.
Yes, tell me.
You don't have to go. I will inquire and send him. You go. Go inside.
Oh. He's always like this.
Uncle,
What happened?
uncle,
Hey, leave my legs. Why are you falling on my legs? What happened to you?
Uncle, you are my god, uncle. Before the temperature goes up and my body parts get heated up, just get me a girl, uncle. Uncle.
Leave me, I said. Why are you
Uncle,
harassing me?
I don't mind if she's dumb. I don't mind if she's blind. I just want a girl, uncle. Uncle. Uncle.
Leave my hand. Outside that brother torture, here this fellow's torture. Minus into minus plus. I got it. It's a festival for me. Anandu, don't you have your mom and dad?
I don't have anyone, uncle.
Oh, don't call me uncle. I am getting angry.
Okay, uncle.
Oh, uncle again.
Okay. Uncle, is the girl in this?
I will show you. Do you like this girl? What happened to you? Don't you like this girl, Anandu?
What is this, uncle? You know where I stand and where this girl stands. How can an angel and a demon get married like this? It's not possible. I don't think this girl will accept me.
Oh, it's my responsibility to make this girl to accept you.
Are you sure, uncle? Okay, double okay.
Okay.
Triple okay.
Okay.
Uncle.
Something good is coming to the house. There is a good news for the man in this house. Good luck coming to this house. Crores and crores of money is going to come. This Saturday it will come to this house. Luck is coming. Luck is coming to this house.
Look straight.
I'm looking straight only.
Look at the camera, Anandu.
You're asking me to look straight or look to the camera? Tell me.
Smile, please. Like that.
Oh God, crazy man.
Smile, please. One little more. He is looking good, earning a very good salary. His character is also very good. I can give guarantee for him. See, he has got no relatives.
Honey, he looks nice.
Looks very nice.
For your girl, is this boy okay?
Hold a minute. My sister hasn't seen it. See this, dear. Give her the picture.
Amrita, take it.
Give it to me, please.
Brother, he's good. I like this boy so much. If I'm getting married, that would be with this boy.
As far as our girl is liking that boy, we are happy.
Ah.
Whatever it might be, now he's a brother-in-law. What, honey?
You are right. So, Mr. Broker,
Master?
my sister has agreed over this boy. So I am willing to spend any amount of money. So as soon as possible, bring that boy to me. There must be no delay in this marriage.
Anandu, till today, this is only a power glass. Hereafter, this is a cooling glass. See, wear it and see. Your whole life will be cool. How's it?
Uncle, full cool.
Sir? Sir? I bought the heroine here. Where are you, sir?
Oh, come. Director, he's not here. He has gone somewhere, useless fellow. So you are the heroine? Looking very nice, huh? But the problem is, you will not suit for him. But for me, everything alright.
Sir, in our movie, the character of the villain is only hero. Heroine is for you only.
Okay, go and take your seat.
Okay. Ramya, party has lot of money. If we both work together, we can get settled. Look here. House is our target. We will have to buy this house for us.
Huh?
Then you and me will be the king and queen. How is it?
You cheap fraud fellow! You came here to watch here to cheat us. That day that witchman told us something is going to happen in this house. I think that would be your death. Hey, biryani boy! Take him and lock him inside.
Amrita, the boy is very decent, it seems. You deny your own city style and get along with his dear.
Why should I adjust for his taste? He should have to adjust with my taste.
Amrita, you're the bright girl. Stop being stubborn and listen to what we are saying, okay?
Yes, Amrita.
Okay.
Anandu, in this getup,
Huh?
you look like superstar Rajinikanth. Now tell me, which girl will deny to get married with you?
Is it so, uncle?
Oh, how many times I have to tell you? I am from Mahadanahalli and my name is Mahadeshwara. But with love, everyone used to call me uncle, uncle. But you are the one always calling me uncle, uncle without respect.
Is it so, uncle?
Oh, look here. We are nearing their house. You have to be strong. Strong.
Leave them there and you both come back.
Okay, bro. Yeah.
Good morning, masters.
Oh, Mr. Broker,
Ah.
you have come already. Come in, come in. Please take your seat. Come on, sit down.
Yeah.
He is the one. His name is Anandu.
Pleased to meet you.
Pleasure is mine. Hey, honey,
Ah,
the soon-to-be groom and the marriage dealer has come.
Where is the
okay.
ring?
Hurry, wait.
Bring my sister here.
Yes.
Looking very beautiful. Come.
Anantu, she is like all of us so. She is the only sister to all three of us. Anantu,
Yeah.
what exactly are you doing in this city?
I am working as an officer in a private company.
Oh, good, good. Good. Pagima,
Master?
remove these cups from here.
Yes. Please give.
He was working in big city Bangalore. He left from there and moved here. He is very decent, you know. Oh.
Where is decency? In the same city, I have seen people wearing white and white with this kind of same clothing glasses and doing all kinds of fraudulence. In fact, I hate this kind of glasses.
Anandu, remove it. They are very dangerous.
If I remove it, everything will be blur.
Remove it, otherwise they might remove it along with your eyes.
Brother,
Yes, sister.
I want to talk to him personally for 5 or 10 minutes.
What is the problem with that? Talk to him freely. Anantu, my sister here wants to talk to you something personal. Go and talk to her alone.
Uncle, what should I do now?
You don't worry about anything. Be strong. I am there for you. He is little bit shy. I will prepare him now.
Yeah. Take your own time.
Uncle, I'm scared, uncle.
Hey, I am there with you. Don't get scared. Always be strong. Do one thing, Anandu. After 2 more steps, turn left and walk for 4 feet. Okay? Then turn right. 2 more steps from there. Room number 6. She'll be in that room only. Go. Be strong. Go.
Okay.
Turn left. Go.
Where did this come from?
What is this, Anandu? I told you to walk on the floor, not on the pots. Look here. From here, 4 feet, you have to walk in front. Turn right, 3 feet, walk. She's there.
I think I have come to the right place. She's standing there. This is the time I should show my bravery. Let me go towards her now.
Master. Till we get married, let's not do this. We will do it later.
Oh, you were the maid here.
Yes.
Where is Amrita then?
Amrita, madam. She's there.
Now I have changed the dress. And see how he's reacting for this. Bunny, come, sit here.
Sorry.
This fellow is too much heated up and came here. Before marriage, there is no guarantee on Ammu's life.
You're very naughty.
Oh.
Only few minutes back you saw me and you started playing with me. That's okay. Still you didn't tell how this dress looks like.
I would have told you if I could see properly.
What?
Nothing. I said you're looking so good in this.
So, are you fine with this kind of dresses?
Oh, whatever you wear, you look very nice in it. That too, this dress is particularly very beautiful on you.
Sure. This man is very much broad-minded. Good. So, talk something.
What do I talk about?
Do you want to tell story?
No, I listen. Do you know that you're very fair? And your dress color is also very good.
Isn't it? Then what else?
Now, what do I tell her?
First you tell me something.
What happened now?
Your eyes are looking around something. You're very naughty.
Somewhere something is going wrong, I'm sure. What was I actually looking at?
Did you ask me anything?
Nothing.
That's okay, leave it. You go and sit outside. I'll tie my sari and come out.
You should
No,
listen to
no,
him.
no, no,
Sister,
no, I don't
what is that
want
you were
this.
talking? He's gentleman and good person, that and this you were saying. Do you know what happened inside?
What happened, dear?
What happened, Amrita?
Yeah, tell me.
What are you doing here?
Nothing. I think I'm okay with you. I just want to know if you're okay with me. I'm just thinking about that.
Honey, what happened?
Amrita, sister, what happened?
Hey, come on, stop laughing. Tell me what happened there. Why don't somebody tell me what happened?
Come here.
Everybody is here.
Oh, not for that. Come here.
Mr. Broker Man.
Master?
Your man got frozen inside the room. Please go and bring him.
What happened to him?
Seems he has got a current shock, so go and bring him. Okay, sir. So, Mr. Broker,
Master?
this is my loving sister. She says she won't marry anybody else other than Anantu.
Uncle. Where is your feet, Uncle?
Oh, he came inside and fell on my hip. Coming out, he's falling on my feet.
What is this, Broker? What is happening? Why is he falling in our maid's feet?
That's what confession. Shock.
Anantu, get up. This is not my leg. Get up. Come on. Oh. Did you all see what a good boy is?
Yes, dear.
He has too much of respect for elders. So, Ratna, we have to fix this marriage date as soon as possible.
Yes,
We should not delay it anymore.
Master, then I'm taking a leave from here. Thank you.
Yes, sure. Take care.
Anandu, shock. Come, we'll go.
This boy is really good. Hey, Amruta, giving shock to him.
So nice.
Anandu, you really covered the girl's heart. So how beautiful the girl was. Even you were looking good. Handsome boy and beautiful girl. My commission is guaranteed.
Is it a call from office? Tell me, uncle.
Hey Anandu, I spoke to Dr. Mithun Pai from Netra Dhamma Hospital. He said that he can cure it. You can say bye-bye to your power glass. Are you happy now?
Tell me, uncle. Are you really telling me the truth, uncle?
This is the truth.
Uncle, after hearing what you said, I'm shedding tears just out of happiness, uncle.
Whether the water coming from your eyes or not, my commission should come properly. I'll tell you.
Can you come and pick me up right now?
What?
No. I'm telling you that more than your commission, I'll give you anything in my house.
You can give it to me later. Now you go.
Okay. I'll just go. Thank you, uncle. Oh, optical store. Dr. Mithun Pai. Can I see everything now? Can I? Yeah. Yes.
So, Mr. Broker, if my sister would have accepted the marriage earlier, I would have conducted this marriage in a much grand fashion in Bengaluru itself. Or else I might have invited people from villages all around the place and had a magnanimous grand marriage. Even now, this is not too late. For 3 days, I will invite people from 10 villages and more and serve them all food.
Yes, I got
Understand? Welcome. Come in. How are you?
What is this? You're cutting my call? Are you going to come or not? Going well. If you call me, I'll give you bonus. What? You mean food? This function is not for 1 day. It's for 3 days. What? You mean fridge? You don't talk and waste the time. Come fast. Okay.
Suresh, that day you left and you're coming only today? At least you came for my marriage. I'm very happy.
Hey, leave my story. What is this, man? I told you to change your life. You have changed this much? Hey, man, you look very handsome without less and nice hairstyle too.
Buddy, we don't have to change, man. When the right time comes, everything changes.
Where, how?
Hey, all that I'll tell you later, not now. This is my marriage. Keep quiet for now.
Someone bring the bride here.
Huh?
Come fast. Come.
You added a little bit more salt in food? How easily you told me that? Huh? Do you know how precious our sister is for all 3 of us? Not only that, do you know how hard we try to get her married to a good person? Such a precious wedding. If you commit a mistake, will I forgive? Never! Not in my life! Hey, it's getting late. Come on. Okay, brother. Come.
So much terror. If They are attacking for little salt. If they come to know about this fellow, the story will be different. Oh my God, Ananta!
Let the music start.
मांगल्यं तन्तु नानेन तव जीवन हेतुना कंठे भक्तानि शुभगे सन्तीव शरदां शतम्.
Ananta, your life unjustly sacrificed, buddy.
Come on, get up.
Why did you bring me separately here? Tell me fast, she'll be waiting for me.
Ananta, marriage is over. Do you know what to do next?
After this, I'll do that. Do that.
Hey, do you know what happened in Bengali auntie so soon you forgot? You forgot, right?
Hey, don't talk about all those things here. Keep quiet.
We have to talk now, buddy. Her brothers, for a small matter, they broke someone's hands and legs. If they came to know about your matter, they will cut you into pieces.
Hey, Suresh. What do we do now?
Go and do the checkup.
Sir, where is the report, sir?
Report will take another 3 more hours.
3 more hours
Yes, sir.
from now?
Uncle, sister is calling me. She's there on top. She's there on top. Go.
Yeah, I'll go. You go.
Till now he has not come. He has come. That is from the morning I couldn't talk to you. That's why I thought of talking to you personally.
Tell me.
What is that? Tell me. I want to tell you something.
Please tell me.
That is, my bride boy should be like you. You have fulfilled it. You made me like you so much.
Thank you.
I'm excited so much. We, our home, our family, big family with 2 little children. Thinking about our future, I'm not able to stop rejoicing. I'm so happy.
All these dreams depend on the report, my dear.
What?
I have an important appointment. I'll finish it and come fast, okay? I'll come back and talk to you, okay? Yeah.
Sir, why do you do HIV test, sir? What is AIDS, sir?
Look here. HIV means human immunovirus. If infected person have relationship with someone, even they will get AIDS.
Is it, sir?
If someone uses the syringe or blade which was used by them, we should never use it.
Is it, sir?
There are 10 reports on my table. Out of that, 3 of them are infected by AIDS. Poor people think about their family. The infected person, without knowing or having relationship with someone unknowingly, they will be infecting them.
Here it's mine. HIV positive. That means I'm an AIDS patient.
He's Anant, right? He has seen the report of Anand. Wait, Mr. Anantu! How dare you betraying my sister!
Anantu?
Yeah, uncle. Uncle?
You know what? Astrologer just now told me. For your first night, today is the most precious day.
Why so urgent, uncle? Why can't we postpone it by 1 or 2 days?
What do you mean? Why do you talk like this, Anantu?
What is this, master? Is it a right way? You're asking him in front of everyone. Because he is shy, he is saying this. That is what the respect is giving you.
Anantu, now only I understand what is in your heart and how good you are.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Thank you very much.
Please wait, Mr. Astrologer. I need a small help from you.
What is this, man? I fixed it today night itself for you. Before that, how is it possible? How is that, huh? First afternoon is not there, sir.
Not that. The day you have fixed now, you have to postpone it by 2 or 3 days.
Asking for postpone the first night? You are the first person I say. Okay, leave it. I'm not going to ask you the reason. Look here, man. What, where and where, how it is going to happen, no one knows. Be romantic, okay?
Okay then.
Master, I'll take
Oh,
leave
it's
then.
all right. Thank you.
See you, madam.
Okay, take care.
Look here, Murthy. You take care of the flower decoration and everything. else.
Okay, brother.
And you should be taking care of the whole of sweets
Sure,
and snacks
sure,
section.
sure.
You take care of the interior decorations.
Okay,
Go.
honey. Okay.
This day, our sister's marriage responsibility is over. I'm very happy. I'm happy.
Sir, there is a small mistake happened.
Mistake? What is that? What the hell are you talking about?
That is, according to your sister's fortune, there is a small mistake is there. There is a solution for this. Postpone the first night after 3 days.
Hey! You just now told me that this is the most auspicious day.
By mistake, I
Hey, Murthy, better leave him. Leave him, I say, leave him. On this auspicious day, I don't want to have a dead body in our home, so better let him go. Hey, get lost from here.
Thank God. God.
Stupid fellow. Come on, let us discuss. Come in.
Such a reaction for this news? What will happen to me? Oh my God. 3 days have gone so fast.
How dare you to do this to me? You spoiled my sister's life. Hit him with a belt. You should never forget
Honey? What happened? Why are you crying? What happened, honey?
Do you know? This day is actually a very bad day.
Who is that? Whom you are talking to like this?
Exactly on the same date, 5 years back, my father and mother were riding a two-wheeler together, and suddenly on the road they saw a lorry come and hit them. Both of them died on the spot. And on the same day, I'm having my first night. I don't feel like enjoying my first night at all. How can I do that?
Is that so? It's okay, leave it. For me, more than my first night, your feelings are important.
Okay, shall we sleep then?
Night. Good night.
My dad, oh my dad, my dad, my dad, my dad, my dad. Master, I have a huge problem. Please give me a solution for that.
What is your problem? Oh my god!
Huh?
This is not the normal mistake, man. It is a very big mistake. If you want to find the solution for this mistake, you have to spend lot of money.
I don't mind how much ever it costs. Please, please find a solution for my problem, please.
Oh God, please bring all the God to my hand. 2, 3, 4, 5.
What, man? You are in your astrology. The planets are shifted to different place for a very big.
Bro.
What happened, Master?
The money you put, only this much will come out of my mouth.
Here, take it. And tell me now, Master.
You have a problem, man. That too because of woman. We can't find the solution now. After afternoon, you have to wear a claw.
What happened? Are you stuck again, Master?
For the money you give, only this much will come out. Some more.
Here, take it.
You have to roll around. That too. After fasting for 21 days. Ra.
The cassette got stuck again, I think. Here, take it.
You have to do in Raghavendra's temple.
My dear God, just for lusting for a woman's body, just look at my body. It's completely damaged. Please give every man on this planet a self-controlled mind and bless us all.
Oh.
Why is she tempting me like this?
Honey, how come there are wounds all over your body?
This is nothing, darling. Just so that my father and mother's soul rest in peace in the grave, I was rolling around the temple. That is how this happened.
What is this? You're doing such things.
I have to do what I have to do, no?
Is it paining more? Then I will give you salt massage, okay?
My body is in this situation because of the massage I got in the morning. Now she's going to give me another massage? Massage plus massage? Garbage!
What is this, your body? It's completely scratches, honey. Where are all the scratches?
Two.
What is this, honey?
No, I don't know where all. I was so busy this morning, you know. I don't know where all it happened.
Na 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 na. Honey? 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 Honey?
How dare you to do this? You spoiled my sister's life. Did you do this?
Honey? What, honey? What happened?
Someone was hitting me, you know.
Who is that to hit you here, honey?
I think it's my dad and mom from heaven. They are hitting me.
Is it so?
Darling, I'll just go out and do some meditation. And through telepathy, I'll apologize to them. Is it okay?
Okay.
My sweet darling.
It's okay. I'll wait for you. Come fast, okay?
Okay. God, please help me. God, please help me. God, please help me. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me, God. 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 Please help me. 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 Please help me, God. 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 Please help me.
Oh,
Please help me.
someone is waiting for me.
Please help me, God. Please help me,
Come, my master. Are you scared that someone will see us? Come, I'll take you to a place where no one will know about it. Come, master. Just 10 minutes jolly. Come, let's go, master.
Hey, don't touch me and leave from here. I'll make noise, I tell you.
I was waiting only for this, master.
Leave me. Leave
Come,
me, I say.
let's go, come.
Just leave from here. Let's go. I'm trying to escape my wife and she also comes. My God. I think she slept off soon. This night too, I am saved.
What happened to the other accounts? Why are you nodding your head? Where is it? Hey, you! Get out of here! He's just nodding his head for everything. Useless fellow.
Hello? Yeah, tell me. What is it? I have to come there today itself? Come on. For my marriage, I had applied for 10 days leave and it's not over yet. If I don't come, you will dismiss me from job? Okay, I'll call you back. Wait.
What happened, Anantu? Why are you so tense?
Look, no, uncle. This officer has no sense at all. I had applied for 10 days leave for my marriage. Today he is calling me and asking me to come today itself or he'll dismiss me from job, uncle.
Anantu,
Uh,
who is he to dismiss you?
uh,
You leave that job and come here. We will take care of you like a king and you will be an emperor
that
here.
won't happen, uncle.
Why do you say that?
I have signed an agreement with them.
Oh, you only signed an agreement, right? No problem. What we will do is we will buy that office in your name. I'll just simply throw the money and buy it.
That won't happen, uncle. That is not for sale.
Means?
They will not sell it.
So, what to do now?
I have to go, uncle.
Look here, Anantu. According to our tradition, we can't send our sister along with you in such a short period.
That is exactly what I wanted, uncle.
What?
I mean, that's what I'm worried about, uncle.
Is it so? Don't worry. We can clearly understand your problem. Just go and come back soon.
You're very great, uncle. I'll do whatever
All
you
right,
say.
Anantu. Take care. Huh?
Uncle, let Amrita be here. I'll go alone and come alone.
Don't worry. We will take care.
Please bless me, uncle.
No problem.
No,
It's
bless
okay.
me, uncle.
It's okay, Anantu.
Oh, you don't want me to do it?
May
Okay.
God bless you.
See you, uncle.
After marriage, Anantu never turned up.
Wow, this is nice. I don't have to fear my uncle or wife. I'm very happy here. What is this? My house is open. Could it be any thief or someone? Hey, why did you come here? Why did you open the house? You came to loot my house, isn't it?
No, master. I
Huh?
came to loot you only.
Now when I am very peaceful and Anantu.
Uncle? Uncle, when did you all come? And how did you come inside?
How to come in? The door was locked. And how long can we wait for you? When I saw that it was locked very strong, I told him to give one kick in the door. And the door got open. And we came inside.
Oh, that is very good. That is very good.
Not only that, Anantu, we also consulted our astrologer. We called the Shastris and did pujas too. And brought our sister also here.
She has also come.
Yeah.
That is very good. Very good.
Yeah, very good, very good. Sister, come here.
Coming, brother.
I thought this devil left me when I came from there. It is following me till here.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine. No, I am not fine. I am not fine. Without you, how can I be fine here?
You left and came. She did not leave you, Anantu.
No. Now that you brought her here, I'll be fine now. By the way, why did you bring this lady also with you?
What are you saying, Anantu? To all of us, our little sister is just like a small parrot whom we are taking care of.
You could have put her in a cage then.
Huh?
What?
Did you say?
Nothing.
Look here. My sister has never did anything at home. She never even took something and kept it in another place. To us, she was like a precious jewel. So hereafter, you should never allow anybody else to do his job.
From now, all my work she will do?
Yes, Anantu. She has to do all your housework from hereafter.
Oh no, I don't want her to do my housework, uncle.
What do you mean?
Uncle, please come with me.
What, Anantu? What is the issue?
Uncle, you will leave her here and go. And I will go to office. Your sister, that means my wife will go for shopping. She will be alone here then. What if she does something naughty with the neighbor and runs away with him? And if he sells her to someone else, who will be answering the police? So where will we be? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you want this?
No. Look here, Anantu. What you are saying is right. I will go back to the village and I will take her along with me.
Good.
Yes, please come.
My sweet brother.
Look here, Pankaja.
Master?
We are all planning to go back to the village.
Ah.
You also pack your things.
Oh my god. What happened, Master?
Just do what I say.
Okay.
Come on.
What shall I do? Tomorrow only going, right? But tonight I will have the feast. If Amrita madam drink this milk, she will not get up till morning. After that, I'll make Anantu in my favor and he will never leave me lifelong. I will ensure it. Amrita madam, please drink the milk.
I don't want.
Don't say no to this milk. This is not an ordinary milk. If you drink this, your body will glow and shine. Whole night you will not sleep. Anantu sir will not make you to sleep too.
Is it so? Give to me.
Drink, Amrita madam.
Okay, I will drink. You go.
You have to drink it fast.
I will. You go. At least this time, I have to knock the door of heaven. If I give this milk to him, he will not sleep. And he will not make me sleep.
Oh my god. Today I will have the full feast.
She seems to be in a very good mood. How do I escape from her today?
Honey? Come here, honey. Come sit here. Come near to me. Drink this milk.
No. I don't drink milk. I don't want milk.
Are you going to drink this or brother?
Hey, why do you have to call your brother for all these kind of things?
After drinking this milk, what happened, honey? 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 What happened, honey? Speak something, honey. Pankaja? Pankaja! Honey? Get up, honey.
Madam?
What is this? He drank the milk you gave. What happened to him?
Why so? Why did I give the glass of milk to him?
You only said, if I drink the milk, that will come, this will come, beauty will come.
That is, instead of putting beauty tablet, I put sleeping tablet, I guess. Please forgive me.
Why did you put sleeping tablet for me?
Amrita madam, if I go to the new place, I can't sleep. So I put the tablet for me to sleep. Wrongly, it came to him, that is all.
Oh, God. Okay, you get out.
Whole plan wasted.
Sister, I can't explain the reason why, but I don't have the heart to leave you here and go. Anantu is not awake yet. I thought I can tell him and leave.
It's okay, brother. I think he's always getting so tired. That's why he's sleeping.
It's okay. I'll go and come back.
Okay.
Okay, baby. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Let's go, guys.
Okay, bro.
Please take care of yourself.
Thank God.
Look, sister. Anantu loves you more than any of we brothers, in fact, even dream of. You will not have any problem with Anantu here. Just in case if you have anything, right at that moment you think about me. The next second I will be in front of you. I'll just leave now. Take care.
Take care of your health, brother. All of you should call me every day. Convey my regards to everyone there.
Definitely. I will tell them all. Take care.
Bye.
Amrita madam, after master wakes up, ask him to call me.
He's crazy on you. Get lost from here.
What?
Bye. Honey? Honey? Get up, honey.
Uncle, where is uncle? Did he get up? Did he eat something?
They finished their bath, had their breakfast, and left to village.
Good that they left. I would have dropped them, no? Why didn't you wake me up?
I didn't want to disturb you, so that I didn't wake up you, honey.
Oh, no, it's getting late for me, dear. Oh, God. Such a great treat, but I don't have luck to eat it. I just have to look and be happy with it. For distraction, I'll have to watch TV.
In a Bangalore city, a victim cheated his partner. That partner got frustrated, went to commit suicide. Out of mental depression, she came back and stabbed her husband again and again. The police are now looking out for that victim. They are searching everywhere.
Honey? I brought juice for you.
Coming. I'm coming.
His voice is coming, but not able to find him.
Why did you call me? I think day and night I have to keep playing Tom and Jerry game. Who will understand all my problems?
Hello?
I am in a very bad situation, buddy.
Oh, Aranta.
Yes, it's me, buddy.
Okay, tell me.
I want to talk to you about something. Can you make yourself free and come to Bangalore?
Okay, buddy, I'll come. I'll leave all my work over here and be there first, okay?
Do something and give a twist to my life.
Okay, buddy. Listen, I'm going to hospital now. I'll surely call you back later, okay? Bye.
Where is she? I can't find her here. I don't know what she's going to plan today. God save me. Amrita?
What, honey? Please come to bedroom.
To the room? She's calling me to the bedroom? Oh my God. Please save me from her today. What happened, dear?
If you can guess it.
I understood. Today, we both won't talk. You won't talk to me and I won't talk to you. You will not come towards me and I won't come to you. So it's hard to stay here and you're packing your luggage and going to village, isn't it?
Not like that.
No.
We both are going out of station.
Out of station?
Going for honeymoon.
Honeymoon, is it?
I have packed your luggage and my luggage too. Now we have to get ready and go out from here. That's it.
Not that, dear.
It's not that. Just you come fast. I'll go and get ready. You two go and get ready, okay?
Oh my God. Why is she acting so fast like this? I don't think she is going to leave me.
Hello? Yes, sir.
Excuse me.
Yes?
One single room is required.
Rooms are not vacant.
Rooms are not vacant? What is this, dear? You said you have planned everything?
Already everything is planned. I tried so much, but I couldn't book the room.
I have told you to plan properly, no?
Why would you get upset for this, honey? If there is no room in this hotel, we will go to other hotel. That's all.
I think this is the only chance. Amrita! Amrita, dear.
What, honey?
No, baby. Today it's already too late. We don't have to search in this whole town. My friend is staying in this place only. If you are okay with it, we can stay in his house tonight.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, welcome to newly married couple. Come in.
You know how to welcome someone at home. Why don't you get married soon?
Sorry, Anantu. You know, right, about my profession?
I know that very well, Dr. Ramesh. By the way, this is my wife, Amrita, my one and only wife.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. You guys must be tired now. Get freshen up, have dinner, then we'll talk.
Sure.
Okay? Carry
Come,
on.
Amrita.
Whatever I know, I cook for you people. I don't know whether you liked it or not.
It was very nice.
How's
Yeah,
it?
it was good.
Yeah, good.
Dear. Honey, don't we have to go?
Amrita, we are meeting after a very long time. You go to your room. I will talk to him for some time and join you. Go and take rest. Don't get upset, dear. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
He will never understand my feelings. I'm going to cut you.
What happened?
Sit down first.
What happened? Why are you so tense now?
Listen, Ramesh, I have something important to discuss with you.
What is it?
Where did they go?
I am trapped in a big problem, Ramesh.
Listen, Anantu. There's a solution for all the problems. What is that?
There is no solution for my problem, man.
What do you mean, Anantu? What is this? Do you know what exactly you've done? Does your wife know anything about this?
Not yet.
So you better not tell her.
Look, buddy, I have already gone through so much of pain to save her. Just kill me, man. Just kill me brutally. I am not good. I am not a good person.
Don't worry. Look here. If killing is the only solution for all the problems, then no one can live in this world, buddy. Okay. You go to your room. It's already late. Your wife must be waiting for you. I got an emergency now. I have to go and operate. If I go now, I'll come back only in the morning. After I come back, we'll talk everything in detail.
Okay, buddy. Amrita? Amrita? Where did she go? Amrita? 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 What happened? Why are you crying, Amrita?
You're asking why I'm crying? Do you know why? For getting married like a dog like you, just that's why. Is that enough? Or do you want to know more?
Why are you talking like this to me?
Don't ask me. I heard whatever you spoke to your friend in his room. I know everything. You know what? Street dogs are better than you. The cat closes its eyes and think the whole world is dark. You people also thinking like that. Why did you people born in this world, man?
Amrita, please listen. I wanted to tell you all this long back. But then...
What do you want to tell me? Whether I didn't know what I was doing, otherwise, and went out with someone and ended up getting infected with this disease. After knowing everything, how can you cheat me and my family? Don't you have the heart? Don't you have any feelings?
Believe me, Amrita, I came to know about this only after our marriage, honey.
I don't want to hear anything. You don't have any rights to talk to me. A street dog is better than you. You spoiled my whole life. life, idiot! What do you think? Women are property to give you pleasure? Better you go and beg on the street, bloody bitch!
No, it's not like that. It's not like that. Please.
You don't
please.
talk to me! You should never talk to me! I have called my brothers. We can see. Let them come. They will handle you better than me.
Hey, don't roll around. Just go fast. Speed up the vehicle. Go as fast as possible.
Okay, brother.
Look, Murthy. The faster you drive the vehicle, the faster we can reach our beloved sister and save her.
Yes, brother.
Why none of brothers' number are not reachable? Have started from home or not? Hello? Hello, Pankaja. I'm Amrita speaking. Where are my brothers? I'm trying for their numbers for a long time but not able to reach them. Have they started from home or not?
No, madam. Masters of our home, when they are on the way to see you, met with a lorry accident. And all three of them, you three brothers died on the spot.
My brothers! Sister, what happened?
Hey, just stop it. You're calling brothers? You killed our husbands. You sinner. We can't forgive you. You can never forgive you. Get lost. Get out.
What do you think? If you call, your brothers have to come immediately. If they don't come, you'll die or what? For loving you, our husbands have died, you sinner!
Keep loving you as sister. All your three brothers were holding you on their heads. You made their heads to be crushed. Sinner, get lost.
Hey, they were carrying you in their hearts. They liked you so much, but now those brothers have gone. Hey, you have destroyed all our lives. You will not die that easily. You will see the hell soon. Little by little, you will die.
You got married and made us widows. We widows curse you. We will not you. See to it. You will die a miserable death. Go to hell. Just go to hell.
You shut up. Listen to me. If your shadow fall here, this house will fall apart. Get the hell out of here. Get
out of here. Just get out
of cheating us. You got married with our sister and completely destroyed her life.
I never planned anything, uncle. I'll live just for 2 more years, that's it. You don't have to kill me with your hands. After that, I am anyway going to die. You can as well wait for that to happen.
Just,
right?
just shut up.
What happened? Your brothers haven't come yet?
You destroyed everything. Why should I marry an idiot like you? And you made me lose my soul to soul-loving brothers. My brothers loved me like their daughter. You made me to get their cause now. Everyone have left me and made me an orphan now. If people have characters like you, it'll be better go and beg on the streets. Even after all this, you may be thinking, why did I came back here? I will be always there with you till your soul goes to hell. I will never die. Come walk to room. Come with me. Go there. Hereafter, this will be your jail.
Ramesh.
Anantu? Where's your husband?
I have locked him in that room. Go and see.
What, Amrita? Why are you talking like this? Huh? Whatever happens is a wedded husband.
Cheating wife like this kind of man is not a human being.
Remember, even then, you cannot treat him like this. AIDS is not such a disease, sister.
If it is not that kind of disease, then why did you say an incurable disease? Still, I left him alive. Be happy with that.
God. Anantu?
Ramesh.
Anantu? What is this, your condition?
What should I tell you? For the sin I have committed, I have to go through all this.
Not necessary. After checking you, there is no symptom found in that. All these days, are you sitting here?
What are you trying to tell me? That means I misunderstood the whole thing?
It's not like that. As a doctor, I'm telling you, there is absolutely no symptom of AIDS in you. Okay, who told you this?
I went for checkup in a nearby lab.
Okay then, show me that report.
I don't have that report with me.
What? You don't have that report with you? Where did you do it?
There were 10 reports kept on the table. In one, it was written HIV positive. If someone sees, it would embarrass me for life. So I left it and ran from there.
Okay, okay. Do you get fever very often?
No.
Okay, okay. Did you at least see the report properly?
I checked it properly, buddy.
No, no. Definitely there's a confusion. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Dr. Ramesh.
Tell me, sir.
My friend did his blood test here.
Okay.
Anantu, come here.
Anantu, sir. He saw Anand's report and ran away from here, thinking it is Anantu.
Then, what about his report?
Just a minute, sir. Here it is. Anantu, sir, you don't have AIDS.
Thank God. What is this, Anantu? Before looking at it properly, you started doing something. Come, come. Let's go and tell your wife. Come on.
Amrita, 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 Amrita,
What do you want?
Amrita, we just found that I don't have AIDS.
Huh?
Huh?
If you call that to come, if you chase that to go. Huh. That is not our dog we tie on the gate.
Amrita, it's not like that, dear.
Shut up. Don't anymore try to cheat me.
We don't have to cheat you, okay?
No.
I'm a doctor. I know everything. You're educated, right? Then see this report.
Yeah. Yes, dear. Yes, it's true.
Yes.
Amrita, 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 Amrita. What happened? What happened to you? Come on. Wake up. Amrita. Amrita. Wake up.
Anantu, let's take it to the hospital as soon as possible. Come on. Anantu?
What happened?
I've sent the blood to the lab report.
Lab?
We will get the report after 4 hours. You do one thing. You take your wife and go home. I'll wait here and get the report home. Okay?
Okay.
Take care.
Amrita, come, let's go home, Amrita.
Ananto? Anant?
Ramesh, what happened? What happened?
What is your
Tell
wife
me.
thinking about you, man? Call her now.
What happened?
Listen, in life, when we find a solution for one problem, then immediately another problem starts up.
Hey, what are you talking about?
Yes, my friend. Whatever we give to others, same thing will come back to us. And this is the proof for that. It might be good or might be bad also. When your wife came to know that you have AIDS, she treated you worse than a dog, right? But now, this report is going to bring another earthquake. Mrs. Amrita, HIV positive.
Huh? Ramesh! What is this? What are you talking about?
Yes. What I told you is a fact. Your wife is having AIDS.
Stop it! If you can twist your tongue, don't try to use it in any way you want. I'm not a fraud like your friend. I came with you to hospital. I agree that's my mistake. I'm not responsible for that.
Stop all your drama. We've seen that enough. Just now I'm coming from the hospital. The doctor has confirmed that you're suffering from AIDS. We're not a fool here to watch your idiotic drama here.
Stop this nonsense now! I promise on the God I believe. Promise on my brothers who have died. Except your friend Anantu, I never had liking with anyone. Before marriage to get a pleasure always is your friend, not me.
What do you mean? What is there in this report?
Ramesh,
Yes, buddy.
What?
What I heard is the truth. What your wife heard also may be true. But AIDS disease does not spread only through sex, my dear friend. There could be even other reasons also.
Amrita. Amrita. Please don't cry, Amrita.
No, honey. I never did any sins like that. I never cheated you and I didn't do anything.
Amrita. This Anantu will never doubt you that you have committed any sins like that. My Amrita has always been a pure woman. Think deeply. Can you remember something? Any accident, blood transfusion, something like that?
Nothing like that. When I was in college, I met with an accident. There was lot of bleeding and I became unconscious. After that, what happened? I don't understand.
Amrita.
It's not important how it came, Anantu. It is a strong truth that your wife has AIDS. That is what the report says. Hey, Anantu, come out. First, let's get out of this house. It is good that God has proved that you're not suffering from AIDS. If you still stay here, that disease will spread even to you. Come with me. Get up. You can get married to another girl and live happily.
Hey, leave me. What are you talking, Ramesh? My thought, my life, my soul, it's all my wife alone. And I consciously decided that I'll marry her.
Have you gone mad or what?
If I have to live my life, it is only with this girl.
Don't talk like a stupid friend. Who will live with a person who is suffering from AIDS?
Hey, don't you see? She is in this situation only because she loved me and lived with me. She loves me so much, you know. And that is the reason I married her. Even though after marriage, I could not meet her needs as a husband. Just for pleasure, she never tried to be with anyone else. That is my wife. I cannot give back her brothers to her. They all died in an accident. But till my death, I will be there for her throughout my life. Do you think I will treat you the way you treated me before? Definitely not. I will take care of you with lots of love, honey. If at all I die, I'll die with you. If I die or live, it doesn't matter, Ramesh. But till the end, I will be with her for sure. No one can compensate the love. Amrita? Huh? Amrita, get up. Amrita, we don't need these tears or any sentiments like this. Already we have wasted so much time, you know. We should not waste any more time. Come, let us fulfill all our desires.